Sa kasalukuyan, kamusta kayo Martians? Welcome back sa vlog. Sa 365. Yeah. So, it's been a while since nag-vlog ako. And medyo I wanna apologize for delaying all the uploads back then. Ngayon kasi parang lately life has been nothing but blessing and abundance. That's what I always say. And walang ibang nangyari kundi puro trabaho. Yun lang masasabi ko. Slightly nakaka-stress. Kasi parang, yun nga, wala tayong ginawa kundi magtrabaho na magtrabaho. Kahapon pumunta ako sa burol ng kapitbahay namin dati. And, yesterday nakasama ko ulit yung mga kababata ko. And there's really something about it. Sometimes it's nice na makasama mo yung mga taong kilala ka way before you were someone. Way before you were something. Sobrang init, man. Alam, gusto ko gumawa ng maayos na vlog today. Ito yung una kong ginawa kasi may gusto kong gawin pero ang init dito sa labas, so bumalik tayo sa loob. Init. Yesterday, nagkasama kami. Nagkaroon kami ng onting catch up. And something hit me really hard. Hindi kamay, hindi kamao, kundi realization. Naisip ko, recently, life has been nothing. Life has been nothing but puro shoot, puro trabaho, which I'm really grateful for. But dito kasi sa ginagalawan ko industry, sa work na ginagawa ko, the harsh truth about it is you're only with people either A, to make connections, B, kasi may kailangan sila sa'yo. And yesterday, that's not one of those things that I felt na made me want to go out more. Because, usually, nandito lang naman sa bahay, nag-e-edit, walang katapos ang edit ever since nung nag-bistro journey tayo. Wala na tayong ibang ginawa kundi mag-edit. So, to the point na I don't really get to enjoy weekdays, weekends, even Sundays, even holidays to be exact. Kaya, yesterday is one of those days that I'm thankful for. It's one of those days na I miss. I really did. And I miss those people. They're sila yung Stranger Things ko na tropa bago pa nauso yung Stranger Things. At bago pa ako naging si Marco Mars, kilala nila ako for just who the stupid teenager I was. Nga pala, sa chikahan natin to, bubuksan ko yung Nanlite 720 kasi parang na-OC ako dun sa ilaw. Though may shoot tayo this week, mga pangmalakas ang shoot. Bubuksan ko ng ilaw kasi gusto ko maayos yung kwentuhan natin. Nanlite na softbox. Sobrang convenient na itong 720 kasi meron siyang V-mount adapter. Kaya yun, sobrang lang din. Sobrang nakakamiss pala na lumabas and to be with people na you don't have to pretend. You don't have to think about your every move, on how you're gonna speak, how you're gonna talk, how you're gonna be talking about your life. Kasi yun nga sa ginagalawan kong mundo, parang sobrang nakaka-trauma. Kasi sa labas, sa industry na ginagalawan mo, you don't really make friends. They're just friends, but not really friends na nakilala ka who you were before, but they met you at your current state. Yung current state na parang naka-experience na, may trauma na, may na-build ka ng something para sa sarili mo. And yun, thankful lang siguro talaga ako kahapon. Sobrang thankful ko kasi na-miss ko sila. Na-miss ko yung mga kaibigan ko, mga kababata ko. Kasi, hindi ko na naisip parang kailan ba yung huling time na lumabas kami, na nagkakasama kami, because life back then was just so simple na wala ka bang iisipin tuwing summer kundi paano ka gigising ng maaga para tumakbo, kung may gagawin ba kayo after ng tanghali, magpabanding ba kayo, magpupuyat ba kayo, and then the cycle is, i-repeat mo over and over. Ngayon kasi parang, I'm just so fed up with other people na wala ka namang iba din kasi talaga, wala talaga kasing magpapakatotoo sa'yo sa mga ginagawa mo or kung sino ka na ngayon, especially kasi wala namang ibang habol ng mga tao kundi, for their own benefit. Pero ikaw, sometimes you just really want to be wanted for just being you. Hindi yung dahil may something ka na ngayon, may ganito ka na ngayon, may ganyan ka na ngayon, or kung ano man na-achieve mo sa buhay. Sometimes. Kaya for me, there's a sense of comfort na naramdaman ko. Na, I would always want to be with them whenever a summer comes along or whenever they want to be with me. Ngayon kasi parang I block myself from people. Kasi nga walang ibang ginawa ng mga tao kundi maging user-friendly user. There are a few people that I cherish, right now. Like, syempre, yung team ko. Try to keep them as much as I can on one circle. It's actually true. If your circle pag hindi lumit yung circle of friends mo, it's true na hindi ka nagmamature. Kasi sometimes, some people would disagree. But that's the harsh reality of what life is. If hindi ka willing mag-cancel ng mga taong paulit-ulit na may ginagawa sa buhay mo, ganun talaga. Paulit-ulit lang din yung mangyari. But on my end kasi, if a person messes up sa akin, hindi ko na binibigyan ng chance, kina-cancel ko na lang din agad. Kasi ganun yung nangyari sa akin before. And tama naman na ganun, minsan nakaka-cancel ka ng tao. Tama din naman na minsan nagpapatawad ka. It's okay. It's natural. It's good na magpatawad ng tao. It's okay. But it's not good if you're going to let them do you over and over. Do you wrong over and over. Yun yung siguro parang something I like to share with you guys. Kaya yun. Na-realize ko lang talaga kagabi na parang, before pala, ito lang pala ako. Parang, and they know me before I was anything. Which was a sense of relief. Kasi nga, hindi mo kailangan mag-pretend. Wala kang kailangan ipa-impress. Wala kang kailangan ikwento. May kwentuhan lang, catch up, ganun. May i-unbox ako ngayon. Hindi ko pa to fully i-unbox. Tatanggalin ko lang yung wrapper para sa inyo. Chopstick. Honestly din kasi, Martians, hindi ko naman talaga alam kung ano nangyari sa daily vlog. Alam mo yun, parang, siguro kasi sa mga recent na nakilala ko, ganun. Ako nasira yung daily vlog. Sobrang blessing na sobrang hindi natigil yung trabaho. As in, super duper blessing. And I will forever be grateful na dahil doon sa blessing na yun, walang tigil yung pasok ng pera, upgrade ng gamit, yung pag-iipon. Ngayon pa lang tayo nakapag-start makapag-ipon. Pero sometimes kasi, not sometimes, kasi I set myself for doing the 365 because I want to do it every single day without stopping. And to be able to achieve something like that, lagi sa akin sinasabi ni Ato, kapag nagawa mo yung ganung bagay, medyo may pagka-immortal ka kasi wala namang ibang makakagawa ng daily vlog. I did the daily vlog because I want to prove something to myself, not to anyone, just to myself. Kasi naniniwala rin ako na sometimes you really have to challenge yourself, you have to pace yourself, kailangan mong bigyan yung sarili mo ng chance mag-improve. Kasi not every opportunity will improve you. Sometimes some opportunities, itutroma ka lang. May ipaparealize lang sa'yo kung ano bang mali sa'yo, kung ano bang kailangan mo i-improve. But then, the improvement section of that part, magagaling sa'yo. I mean, ikaw yung, it's up to you kung gusto mong i-improve o hindi, o hahayaan mo lang. Me, I chose to improve. I chose to do a daily vlog. But then, kinain ako ng buo ng trabaho. I'm not blaming work, but that's the natural cycle of what happened. I'm trying to catch up. I'm trying to get that blood flow going when it comes to daily vlogging, and yeah, so far we're doing one right now. Oh yes, this is it. Oh my gosh. Siyempre, necessary na i-unbox mo siya on your channel, pero not officially unboxing. Bibigyan ko kayo ng preview kung ano tong gagawin natin video. Meron tayong package from Zhiyun. It's the Zhiyun Molus X100 RGB COB Lite Pro. I've heard a lot of good things about this from Zhiyun. Pinadala sa atin to ni Zhiyun for free, and we're gonna be doing videos about it. May mga content tayo na nakaabang dito. And baka tomorrow magsushoot ako ng video ko about dito. Video ko about sa Benro Cyanbird, and video ko about sa PGY Tech Camera Strap Air. So we technically have 3 brand deals to do. And I'm excited. Yeah. Pero hindi ko alam kung dito natapusin yung vlog, but let's see kung saan pa tayo papunta. And by the way, may gamit ako lens today. This is the Sony 16mm f1.8. Hindi ko pa siya officially na-vlog or officially nire-review. Right now, we're trying to test it out. Of course, coming from a 10mm perspective, it's a little bit tight for me, but it's, I guess, yun nga, it's still the perfect vlogging lens naman. F1.8 is good. You know, kita nyo yung exposure sa likod. We have a light over here. Ewan ko mawawala yung reflection. Ay, hindi, you know. Slight na wala. Then bawas tayo exposure. And I'm using the Nanlite 720B as my main key light right now. And everything is well lit, perfectly exposed. Let's see kung saan papunta next yung araw natin. Kung nandiyan pa kayo. At kung nakarating kayo, by the way, sa part ng video na to, I'm sending you guys nothing but blessing and abundance. Yeah.